everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a wonderful recipe for all the egg lovers. This is a different take on the usual egg scramble that we make at home. We're going to make this easy and delicious garlic butter eggs, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken 8 fresh eggs. Just crack open all the eggs into a bowl. I'm just going to season the eggs. First I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes. I'm also adding a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Now that we've whisked the egg mixture, after whisking the egg mixture, keep this aside. So next we're going to make the egg scramble. For this, take a nice wide pan. I'm adding a teaspoon of oil. I'm adding 2 small cubes of butter. Spread the oil and butter evenly onto the pan. You want the pan completely coated. Keeping the flame on low, pour the egg mixture into the pan. Increase the flame to a medium and start making the scramble. Now we don't want to overcook the eggs, so the eggs will continue to cook in that minimum heat. Once this is done, once you've got this beautiful egg scramble, turn off the stove. Now we're going to transfer this to another plate. So next we're going to make the garlic butter sauce for the scrambled egg. It's going to be a very rich and flavorful sauce. Just adding a couple of cubes of butter here. Just added 5 small cubes of butter here. Next I'm adding 1 large pot of garlic cloves. Make sure the garlic chopped very fine. Maintain the flame on low. So I'm going to season it with salt, about 1/2 teaspoon, pepper 1/2 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Just give it all a quick mix. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. So we want that creamy sauce, so I'm just adding about a teaspoon, not too much. Next I'm adding 1 cup of boiled and cooled milk. Maintain the flame on a medium low. So you can see the sauce is gradually thickening up. I've just kept the flame on medium low. Once the sauce has thickened, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now Italian seasoning is optional, but this will definitely enhance the flavors. Next I'm adding some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now that the garlic butter sauce is ready, I'm just going to add the egg scramble. Wow, look at the butter garlic eggs. It's absorbed the sauce so beautifully. So butter garlic eggs are done. You can enjoy it as is, or you can serve it with some nice bread by the side. It's time to taste these incredibly delicious butter garlic eggs. It's so moist and so soft. Look at that piece. Oh my God. Extremely tasty. The egg is so soft. It's absorbed all the flavors of the garlic and the butter. It's incredibly yummy. I really enjoy the butter garlic eggs. It's a very nice recipe, and you can enjoy it as is or with some nice bread by the side. I'll give you a couple of links to the other egg recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. Do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.